Dialogflow Chatbot Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our Dialogflow Chatbot Review. In this video, we'll cover its features, ideal use cases, and overall usability to help you decide if it's the right tool for your needs. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details. Dialogflow, developed by Google, is a powerful AI-powered chatbot platform designed for creating intelligent conversational agents. It's widely used across industries like e-commerce, customer service, healthcare, and more. Dialogflow's key advantage lies in its natural language processing (NLP) capabilities, which allow bots to understand and respond to user input with remarkable accuracy, regardless of phrasing. One of Dialogflow's strongest features is its cross-platform compatibility. It enables businesses to deploy bots on various channels, including websites, mobile apps, social media platforms, and even voice assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. This versatility makes it ideal for businesses looking to expand their customer engagement efforts across multiple touchpoints. Dialogflow offers two versions: Dialogflow CX, designed for complex workflows with robust visual interfaces, and Dialogflow ES, ideal for simpler use cases. This flexibility makes it suitable for both small businesses and enterprises. The platform provides multi-language support, ensuring businesses can communicate with a global audience seamlessly. For developers, Dialogflow offers a user-friendly interface and extensive customization options, including integrations with Google Cloud Services and third-party APIs. This makes it easy to extend the bot's capabilities, such as retrieving data from external systems or automating back-end processes. Non-developers can benefit from its intuitive visual editor to build and manage conversation flows without coding expertise. Additionally, Dialogflow includes machine learning models that continuously improve bot performance by analyzing user interactions. Features like context management and intent recognition ensure that bots deliver relevant, human-like responses, enhancing the user experience. While Dialogflow excels in functionality, it does require a learning curve for beginners, particularly those new to NLP. However, its extensive documentation and active developer community help bridge that gap. In conclusion, Dialogflow is an excellent choice for businesses and developers seeking advanced conversational AI solutions. Its scalability, flexibility, and integration potential make it a standout platform in the chatbot industry. For more details, don't forget to check the description below. Thanks for watching.